If you're not making at least 2 to 3K per week, then listen up, because I'm getting ready to share something with you that is going to blow your freaking mind. We're talking about none other than digital products. Here's a list of the most commonly sold digital products to date. This industry continues to rapidly grow and is showing no signs of slowing down anytime soon. There's only 5 steps that you're going to need to complete, and it's very simple, so get ready to screenshot. Here's the steps, but I'll wait. Being consistent with step number 5 is what creates results. But if you're worried about saturation, most people aren't going to do anything with this information anyways. But if you're ready to stop procrastinating and see what 2023 has in store for you, follow for more videos just like this, and go ahead and get your free guide too.
Let's talk about an online side hustle that you could do during the day, at night, and can make you up to $750 a week. First, you're going to go to your Google browser and type in Apex Focus Group. Next, you're going to click Join a Focus Group. Before clicking Apply Now, you can scroll down, read the description, the qualifications, experience, no previous required, and your compensation. If it all looks good, click Apply Now and fill out this profile. Follow for more ways to make money online from home.
Here's the best side hustle that actually makes some money online. This is perfect even if you're a complete beginner and work a full-time job, but you are going to need a laptop and a cell phone to make it work. And no, this isn't one of those things where you'll have to bombard your family and friends with the latest and greatest lotions and potions and snake oils. And don't worry, it's not overly competitive or highly saturated. It's actually a $315 billion industry and projected to more than double over the next 5 years. Now make sure you like and save this video so you can come back to it later, because this is going to be the most in-depth breakdown you've seen yet, and I had to split it into 3 parts. It's called affiliate marketing, and most of the major brands in the world like Amazon, Walmart, Target, they're all doing this. All right, let me show you exactly how to get this up and running for yourself. First thing you're gonna need is an offer. This is simply the product or service that you're gonna be promoting. You can find that on a website like Digistore24 right here, where you can create a free account. Another place to find these type of offers is clickbank.com, which we'll be using in this example. You're going to scroll down here to affiliate marketplace. When the page loads, it'll look like this. You can use this sidebar on the left to scroll through all the different product categories. We call these niches. Here's why I really prefer ClickBank over all the other sites. They have all their top offers already categorized for you. This is a perfect feature for beginners because you don't have to waste time trying to figure out what does and doesn't sell. They're literally showing you all of the best offers that affiliates are having success promoting, but most importantly, the customers are getting good results. We're gonna find an offer that pays high commissions like this one, but also has a reoccurring sale. Click promote. From there, we're gonna generate a hot link. This is just ClickBank's terminology for an affiliate link. Type in your account nickname and hit create hop link. It's going to generate your affiliate link down here. Hit copy. Now when somebody buys that product through your link, you get paid a commission. My personal favorite way to do this is with high ticket affiliate marketing, where you're making $1,000 or more per sale. Now the 2 most common questions I get are, where do I promote my affiliate link and how do I promote it? And I'm going to answer those exact questions in part 2 and 3. Now, if you don't want to wait on both those videos to drop, head on over to my YouTube, which you can find linked on my profile page, where I answer both those questions and even show you the best high ticket offer to promote.
How I'll make at least 6 figures in 2023 and how you can potentially do the same. So I have 3 sources of income like I mentioned before. I have my main TikTok page. So with my main TikTok page, I want to continue growing my following because I can get higher and higher sponsorship rates and all those types of things. And I might also potentially consider selling some type of mentorship service. So that'll be a bit of extra income, but I'm still not entirely sure if I want to start selling something yet. The second thing that I'm going to continue working on is my TikTok content creation agency. So with my agency, I have 2 clients and on the verge of signing 3 clients. I want to continue taking more and more clients in. So I've been implementing systems in place to handle more and more clients. And then essentially all I have to do from that point would be to do more outreach and then take on more clients. And my third source of income is crypto trading. So with crypto trading, I want to continue doing that, but trading crypto and forex on funded accounts. If you're not sure what a funded account is, essentially you get given money from a prop firm once you pass your 2 challenges. So 10% in the first month, 5% in the second month, usually that's what it is. And then you'll get given 25K or 200K or even up to 400K, whatever amount of money you signed up for. Then you can get to trade with their money and you get to keep 80% of the profits. So funded accounts, if you're good at trading, it's very much scalable and it'll be pretty doable for me to make over 10K a month from just trading. So currently my 3 sources of income generate me anywhere from 10 to 15K a month. I'm going to try to get that up to 30K by the end of the year. We'll see if that happens since I'll be documenting everything on my TikTok, so follow along.
5 business ideas you can start in 2023. And the 4th one is the best. Number 1, social media marketing agency. Now with this, you simply reach out to brands that tell them you're going to help them advertise. But you don't actually need to know how to advertise. If the brand agrees, you simply just outsource this. You can go on Upwork, Fiverr, or Facebook groups to find people who know how to advertise on Google, Facebook, or even TikTok. You can charge the brand $2,000 to $5,000 a month, and you pay the contractor anywhere from $200 to $500 a month. Now, of course, all this is easier said than done, so I recommend you watch these YouTubers to learn more. Number 2, car detailing. Detailing cars are one of the easiest and fastest ways to make money. All you need to do is go on Amazon, purchase the tools needed to start, then research a little on Google and watch some YouTube videos. And to get clients, I recommend you go to the luxury neighborhood and try to watch their cars for them. And you can download the Nextdoor app to gain you more clients. After you scale this up, reinvest your money back into the business, get some employees, and get a location. Once again, easier said than done, but these are just some ideas. Number 2, social media manager. This is kind of similar to the marketing agency, but instead you're helping the person or brand grow on social media. To get clients, you can simply DM people or email them. And I recommend you invest into copywriters to get better conversion. And number 4, 3D virtual home tours. Now with this, your primary clients will be real estate agents. You can simply go on Google and search up real estate agents near me, get their contact information, and tell them you want to do 3D home tours for them. Now 9 times out of 10, they would not deny this because this is very important to them. Because this will help them sell their listing a lot faster, which then they will get a $5,000 commission. And you can charge them $300 to $500 per shoot, which that will cover the price of purchasing just one camera. You can keep growing this, set up a team, and automate it. And for number 5, check in the comments down below.
Let me show you how you can start making money today. Like today. Head over to clickbank.com and create an account. It's super duper easy. Once you're in, go to the affiliate marketplace. There are a ton of different products that you can promote within all of these categories. Now you can go ahead and choose one. Health, wealth, and relationships are the most profitable. I'm gonna go under health and fitness and click on diets and weight loss. Once you're here, go over to the top right and sort by gravity. Anything over 50 is good. For this product, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, the average conversion or dollar amount that you would get for every sale is $126.33. Once you find something that you like, just click on promote. Come over here. You'll put in a nickname account that you had created during your registration for ClickBank. It's going to give you a specific hop link to you, which you'll want to copy and save for later. Now that you have your hop link, this is when you need to start driving traffic to your link to start making some money. So you can create a Pinterest, Instagram, or TikTok, whatever you're most comfortable with, and go from there. So since I chose a Flat Belly Tonic diet supplement, I would want to create a page based on weight loss specifically and gaining an audience with that and driving traffic to my link. So yeah, I mean, really just start gaining some confidence within yourself. You can do this, and if you have any questions, hit me up. All right, good luck.
5 businesses to start in 2023, man. Let's get it. And the 4th one is the best one. Number 1, we got wholesaling real estate. Wholesaling real estate is the cheapest and easiest way to get into real estate. 1, because there's no license needed unless you live in these states right here. As a wholesaler, you drive around looking for distressed properties. Once you find a property, you script trace the address, getting the seller to put the property under contract at a discounted price. You take that contract to investors to sell at a higher price. Number 2, creating Google ads on Upwork or Fiverr.com. You can head to Upwork.com to see what people are charging for this. For example, $200 per hour, $400K earned. And all they're doing is marketing for somebody else. 3, we have Airbnb. For this, you're going to need an LLC, with the LLC name pertaining to lease homes or properties in it. This will help you get corporate leases at apartment buildings. And from there, slowly start building up your Airbnb portfolio. Before, my favorite one, reselling. Reselling is just finding products at discounted price on Facebook, OfferUp, or online in general. Then stacking up your inventory and relisting these products at a higher price, leaving you with that middle profit. And for tip number 5, check down in the comments below.
5 highest paying remote jobs you can start without a college degree. And some of these, no talking required. Number 1, Yelp. You can get paid $700 a week simply to remove spam comments. Number 2, Apple Home Advisor. You will be doing customer care for Apple by phone, chat, or email. And you can choose full-time or part-time. Apple will send you a free iMac and they'll pay for your internet. And you get paid $18 an hour. Now, you're not going to get free products, or are you going to know when the new iPhone is coming out? But you will get an endless amount of benefits. Number 3, American Express Virtual Assistant. This is very similar to the Apple, but you will be getting paid $22 an hour. Number 4, Southwest Airlines. online. This is more customer care work. You're simply on the phone helping out customers, and you'll get paid $17 an hour. And for number 5, check in the comments down below.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope.
If your goal for 2023 is to make more money, here's a simple way that you can do that, even if you work a full-time job. So first, you would find a product or service to promote. Believe it or not, most of your favorite companies will pay you every time you refer a customer to buy a product from their website. Once you have a product that you want to promote, the next thing to do is create content around that product using social media. If you've ever watched a product review video on YouTube, more than likely that person will let you know where you can buy that specific product, and they have the link in the description of their video. So whenever somebody clicks on the link in their video and they buy that product, they earn a commission as an affiliate. But if you want to increase your chances of making a sale and doing repeat business with customers, you're going to want to direct them to a simple page where you're going to collect their name and email address. From there, you can send them to the sales page where they have the option to buy that product that you're promoting. Now, if they do end up purchasing, then you would make a commission as well. But if they make it to the sales page and they don't purchase that product, you can follow up with them through a series of emails explaining more about the product and where they can buy it. So this business model is called affiliate marketing, and this is the same method that people from all types of different backgrounds are using to earn online. Now, if you want to learn how you can use this method, make sure to follow me and also leave me a comment.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants.
3 business ideas you can start in 2023 with $0. 1. Social media marketing. I feel like people our age take for granted how much we actually know about social media and how it works. There are a lot of brands with older people who would pay good money to get your insight. If you spend a lot of time scrolling on TikTok, you're gonna know the trends before these big brands do. And that is valuable to them. So if you already have a social media platform, go ahead and pitch yourself as a resource. 2. User-generated content creation. You don't even have to know a lot about marketing to do this one. All you need to know about is how to film a video. User-generated content creation is essentially creating videos for brands that they will then post on their TikTok platform. Instead of posting this video on your page as an advertisement, their brand is paying you to create a video that they would just use on their platform. You don't even have to be an influencer for this. I personally make $400 a month using this side hustle. 3. Pet sitting. About 99% of people watching this video are going to have neighbors. Statistically speaking, at least half of these neighbors are going to have pets. I've charged up to $40 a day walking and feeding people's animals. I found that once I've pet sit 1 or 2 clients, they'll end up referring me to their friends and their friends' friends. I've actually made $1,000 a month pet sitting. Be sure to follow my account to stay on Money TikTok.
If you aren't ready to get real about your success, then keep scrolling. But for those of you who are sticking around, let's get to it. 2023 can be a game-changing year for you. But you can't play the game up until the way you've played it so far. You're going to have to do some new things to get new results. Hey, my name is Leslie. I'm a success and business coach, and I've applied these exact principles in order to consistently make $20, $30, $40, even $60,000 a month. So yeah, of course you're going to have to work on your mindset, and you're going to have to curate the conversations around you. And if you want to know more about that, then look at my caption and see that video that's linked. And you can also check out a second video that I have linked on exactly how I did it step by step. But here's the biggest thing that most of you don't have in place. People love coming up with ideas. It's sexy and fun to brainstorm and dream big. But those dreams and results that you want are going to take brand new actions to make it happen. That means you have to have new habits and new actions in place, which isn't the easiest thing to start. If you can do it for 90 days, then you're in like Flynn and things will be great. But it's that first getting it going that gets really hard for people. This means you have to have some kind of structure that's put in place that helps you remember and also keeps you accountable for taking these new actions. There's a lot of different structures you can put into place. If you're really in tune with a calendar, you can calendar time to make sure you're making time to do these new things. You can set alarms in your phone to remind you to do these new things. You can share what you're up to with the people in your life, because then they'll ask you how things are going, and that'll also hold you accountable. Or you'll think about, shit, I just told everyone I was going to do that, so I better go do it. Or you can do the greatest investment and the thing that really makes the difference, which is hiring a coach or a mentor or an advisor who's going to actually be in your corner, show you the way, and keep you extremely accountable. So go ahead, get in the comments, let me know what you are committed to doing and creating for your life in 2023.